Okay, I'd like to introduce you to conditionals. And conditionals are things in which is things that give you an option between if, then, else, or. So what I'd like to do is I'm going to start you off slowly, and we're just going to begin with an if-then statement. So I've already made these, okay, just to speed it up. You're going to remake each one of these. There's three that I'm going to show you. One is a basic if-then statement. One is an if-then-else statement. And then one is an if-then-else statement in which an if-then-else and if-then is slid inside of them. You'll see in a second. They build off each other, and then you're going to be using them. But you'll recreate them, show them to me, and then I'll be able to give you credit for it. Okay, let's go with the basic one. So right now, inside of controls, one of the things you have to do is go create a variable. And then the variable I went ahead and created was an age variable. Okay, what I'm going to do on this first one is age. If it equals 50, it's going to say, wow, you're half a century old. So I went up and inside of events, I got the green flag clicked. Inside of control, I got the if, then there's the operator, there's the say, and there's the age. And you need to go make that variable. Then I go ahead and I slid with the operator. There's the operator in. If it equals, there's my variable. And then I slide in my say. I come over here. I click on the green. Actually, I need to put the slider up to 50, and then I'll click on the green flag, and the duck should say, if I can get it to go, come on, duck. Well, that's not good. Oh, sorry, I need to put the green flag on. There, now click on the green flag. Wow, you're half a century old. So that's basic if, and here's the condition. If age equals 50, then it's able to say that. But if I slide this to any other age, so I'm going to hit close, I'm going to hit. See how it doesn't work? I go above, I hit green flag, doesn't work. But if the age is 50, then when I hit it, come on. Whoops, I'm at 49. Let me go one higher. Come on. And green flag, there it is. Wow, you're half a century old. How about this? I'm going to show you the next one now. So let's take this green flag. I'm going to bring it down. And in here, it's an if then else. So it's going to be if whatever the condition is, if it is, and I'm going to say greater than 50, the age is greater than 50, then you're going to say one thing. But if that doesn't hit, then you're going to say something else. So here I go. I'm going to put, there's my condition. If age, the variable, is greater than 50, then I want it to say, wow, you're old. But if that variable that we slide and we say isn't greater than 50, then all other ages, we're going to say, you are young. I'm going to put the green flag on it. I'm going to come over here, and how about I go above? And so above, it should say you're old. Click. You're old. I should do the slider beneath it. Hit the green flag. It should say you are young. It does. And then the last is, what if I put it exactly 50? Can you guess before I get there? Because I got this wrong the first time. Because remember, age greater than 50 does not include 50. And so that means it can't be you are old. I hit green flag. You are young. Because 50 then is beneath 51. Above 50 is greater than means 51 to infinity. Okay, so let's go to the last one. I'm going to take this if-then statement. Okay, I'm going to go get the green flag. Green flag. Drop it on. Now in this, I'm nesting. So I'm going to take if, then, else. Then I'm going to put another if, then, else. And then I'm going to finish with an if, then. So if blank, then say one thing. But if that's not true, then if, then blank, say another thing. And so now I'm just going to fill in what I've already created. So here comes the condition. If greater than 50, then say you are old. Okay? Matter of fact, I should have used a basic one, not a 2-second one. How about I save for 3? Okay. How about if less than 50, say you are young. But if you're exactly 50, then say you're half a century old. So here I've hit all my conditions. And what I wanted to show you on this is where you nest them inside. So if, then, and if it doesn't occur, then you have a backup else. If that one doesn't occur, and you can just keep nesting, nesting, nesting all the way down the page. I'm going to go ahead now. I'm going to click on the duck, and it says at 50, you're half a century old. That's correct. What if I go above it? I hit the green flag, you are old, and if I go beneath it, green flag, you are young. It works. So take a look at these, please recreate them, and knowing these three are going to help you out tremendously as you continue with learning how to code.